Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Monday Afternoon Weather Webcast for January 5th, 2015. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. After the stormy weather yesterday, a cold front moved through and colder weather has now entered back into the wiregrass. Wintertime can resume, and it looks like we stay dry all this week, and temperatures kind of fluctuate the next couple of days and 3 days, but by the middle of the work week, we're going to be talking about some bone-chilling cold, the coldest we've seen here since mid-November. If you can remember back, we had some pretty cold days in the middle of November, numbers that were dipping down into the 20s, and I think we get right back to that spot for later on this week. We'll tell you exactly when here in a second. Low temperatures, though, for today, right around 40 degrees for a lot of folks as we started our day. 39 Geneva, 37 in Troy were some of the cooler spots, but everybody else in the low and middle 40s from the northern part of the viewing area down closer to the coast. We've dealt with a few areas of some high clouds and mid-level clouds today, but nothing that's blocked a good amount of sunshine for us. A nice way to start our week for sure. And even with all that sunshine, temperatures haven't been too warm at all. Middle 50s and some upper 50s around the wiregrass. Even some low 50s, 52 in Troy and 53 in Enterprise, but a lot of 54s on this map from Bonifay, Geneva, Dothan, and Abbeville. Also in Ozark, 57 Blakely, and 59 in Donaldsonville. Some colder air to our north, freezing right at it in Little Rock and in Nashville. Some really cold air well to the north in the Great Lakes region. Minnesota, Wisconsin, parts of the Dakotas dealing with single digits below zero at this hour. And then there you see 84 in Miami, the envy of everybody in the upper Midwest. So there's a look at the cloud cover from the Gulf of Mexico into the Gulf Coast states. Not a bad day at all. No rainfall to deal with. A few little light showers down in South Florida, all associated with that front that has moved down south. High pressure in control. We do have some areas of snowfall, some mixed precip way to the north in the upper Midwest. A snowy day in Iowa, the Dakotas, in southwestern Minnesota, also in Montana and Wyoming, and some rainfall in the Pacific Northwest. They are dealing with some bad cold up there. 3 below in International Falls, also 3 below in Minot, 2 degrees in Chicago. You see 27 in Yellowstone, 50 in Denver, and numbers in the 40s and 30s in the Midwest. This cold is coming for us. Watch what happens. Not tomorrow, though. We start off our day in the upper and middle 30s, and afternoon highs will actually bounce right back into the low 60s, I think. Some nice conditions for our Tuesday with a lot of sunshine around. But watch these temperatures. So after tomorrow morning, I should say, with numbers in the 30s, we'll jump back into the 60s, right near 60 degrees. For Tuesday night into Wednesday, temperatures are a little bit moderate as well. I think upper 30s and close to 40 degrees for Wednesday morning, right near average. And then numbers a little bit cooler as some colder air starts to dip down. 50s for Wednesday afternoon highs. Then watch the cold temperatures move in. 20s, teens, and maybe even some single-digit numbers in the southeast. Teens definitely in the northern part of Tennessee, but I think we could see teens in the northern parts of Alabama, also of Georgia too. Atlanta could see 19 or 18 degrees. Around here, we will see numbers in the 20s, I think, for both Thursday morning and Friday morning. So some big-time cold headed our way. Make sure you are getting ready now to prepare for that cold air moving in. Like we said, I think temperatures won't be anywhere close to as cold for the next few days. So by Wednesday night into Thursday, you need to make sure you've got all your cold weather preparations. Make sure your pets are inside. Cover up your sensitive vegetation and plants. Please make sure everyone you know and love has adequate heat. And you're going to need to drip the pipes both Wednesday night into Thursday morning and Thursday night into Friday morning with temperatures in the 20s for a good chunk of time. Most likely a hard freeze warning or advisory will be issued Wednesday night for the freezing conditions that we'll see for late Wednesday into early on Thursday. Of course, we'll have more details, the exact 5-day forecast coming up tonight on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10, and WRGX News at 5:30. Hopefully everybody's having a great Monday. We'll see you back here on Tuesday.